Today is adventure day. We're going to Yunque National Forest. It's about an hour and some change from San Juan. So we're about to leave the Airbnb and make this journey. Going up the tower. It's gonna get one of the nice vantage points up here. Air's a little thin up, but I'm a player. I'm used to being up, you know what I mean? All right, that was a little more of a workout than I was expecting. Y'all found a trail? Ah, Juan Diego. See, we can go sit in that. Yeah, you can get in here too. But yeah, we'll keep going up. I'm just getting some footage. All right, we out here, man. You know it's about the journey. Vlogging. Puerto Rico at the Yunque National Forest. Waterfall, natural cascada. We're about to go bathe in it, because that's what we do. All right, the water's cold. Muy frío. The water is cold as shit. The water is cold as fuck. You're gonna get some shock. This is where you get them shock triceptides at. Yeah. Shit. All right, going in. Yeah, cool shot. All right, came to the waterfall here, got in the water, you know what I'm saying, gratitude, all that good stuff. Took some time, now we're headed back, and it's a trek, as you can see. Natural. Puerto Rico. Hey. Out here, baby. Doing nature.
Doing nature.
One of the best parts about this, man, it ain't no bugs out here, no mosquitoes. I ain't seen nothing predatory out here. You can really just walk and enjoy this joint with full confidence. I ain't been bit by nothing yet.
I haven't got bit by
Oh
nothing.
shit. Got some pre-made steps for you to, you know, natural beauty.